Technology. I'm glad to welcome you to another topic of our IELTS Vocabulary Booster course. It's time for technology terms and phrases. As you probably remember, we go through only the most popular topics of IELTS. Thus, there is high chance that you will have to use these words during your exam. So, make sure you write down the unfamiliar words, and I'm sure you will do great at your exam. We'll start with three expressions which require no definition: the digital age, the computer age, new media age. It's our time, the time of technology and gadgets, Facebook addiction, and knowledge-based society. An example: the arrival of the digital era was so rapid that we have not yet managed to cope with all of the consequences. Another three words that you're very likely to use in your writing or speaking section on technology are innovation, breakthrough, revolution. Innovation is an act of introducing something new, and if we observe rapid dramatic changes, we use revolution. As for technological revolution, it could often be triggered by a breakthrough, an act of making important discoveries. The Internet revolution changed the way that people got and shared information, affecting everything from social relations to the way they work. Although always with risk, technological breakthroughs promise the most pressing global challenges of our time. Now, let's discuss some useful word combinations. Cutting edge, rocket science, tech-savvy. The adjective cutting edge basically means the most advanced, the latest. For example, cutting-edge technologies. As for rocket science, it's a slightly less formal expression, which means an activity requiring considerable intelligence and ability. Example: we also work with universities and other experts to ensure that we remain at the cutting edge of technology. And tech-savvy means knowing a lot about modern technologies and computers. Example: millennials are tech-savvy, thrifty, and more likely to stream entertainment online than other Americans. Our next term is cloud computing. Over the recent decades, it's become a buzzword in the IT world. I will explain this term as easily as possible. Globe computing means that instead of using all the applications physically installed on your computer, you can access them over the Internet. They are provided as service by another company, and it applies not only to computer programs, but also to hardware capacity. Example: the Google Docs service allows users to upload documents, spreadsheets, and presentations to Google's data servers and serves as an example of cloud computing. And here's two more words: wireless and mobile. Do they have the same meaning? Yes and no. Sometimes you can use either, but they represent different concepts. Let me explain. Mobile is a word to describe the nature of devices. A mobile device is one that can be taken anywhere. Usually, these devices need a battery to work. But wireless does not mean mobile. Many non-mobile devices could connect to wireless networks as well as mobile devices. I hope you feel the difference. I've also prepared a list of other useful tech-related words and phrases. You probably know most of them, but I encourage you to think whether you normally use them while speaking or writing. Do you feel comfortable with them? If some of them confuse you, come up with several sentences to practice their usage, and remember to return to these words after a while. User-friendly, computer literate, obsolete or outdated, gadget or equipment, a piece of equipment, appliance, device, hardware. E-commerce, content, social media, blogs, Viral. To browse. To download. Connection. Cyber. Privacy. Applications. Apps. Software.